Welcome! This is my mini loader build, and last time I installed the heater core under the seat, and now it needs a fuel tank. So I'm gonna use the original fuel tank from the heater and just gonna make a custom case for it. I have some it was packaging for something. It's a lightweight angle iron. Fabricate an enclosure and install it behind that oil tank. So let's get to work. It appears I need to make a cutout at this o'clock. At least the tank is snug in it. Oh. Uh-oh. Let's see. It has to fit. Yes. Strap it to the base so it won't come up. Now I need to figure out the attachment to the frame, so I think I'm gonna use this. I plan to use this a little bit thicker 4mm steel bar for this. So the fuel tank is gonna spend its time around here for the rest of its life. So, and I'm gonna weld 2 bars. So I welded these to the box, and now I can weld this to the frame, not the cab. The fuel line will come here and in from here, so X marks the spot. I'm gonna install this grommet, or whatever the name was. Okay, so this probably is sturdy enough to hold that fuel tank. Need to install the fuel pump somewhere between the fuel line. So this is the fuel pump, and I think I can lengthen the cables. So I will put the pump where it fits nicely. So I like to use these spring clamps. Heater will be controlled over here. I'm gonna hook it up, and then we're gonna attach the, oh, it has
Start heating. Stop heating. Thanks for using. I wish you a safe journey.
I need to connect the tank and the fuel hose outside, and then we can see if this actually gives heat. Hose connected. We can test it. Cooking oil. Push the button.
Start heating.
Okay, it's 26 is the set point, and 11 is what it's measured. I heard they sell quiet pumps also, but it's a tractor, so if it bothers me, I'm gonna get the silent pump. So that wall is, let's say 16. Okay, now I hear the flame. started. So I'm gonna stop the experiment because, yeah, nice warm air. But I'm gonna stop the experiment because the exhaust is in the garage. So, but at least I got to hear it working. So heating works nicely, and I know the remote works because I have tried it. It turns the heater on. So this is I'm gonna leave the wires on for now. It might want to do a blowout session. Well, and now the tank. It has a fancy remote.